It all started with a group of few hundred camping outside the Satlok Ashram in Hisar. For 8 days now, Times Now's Vijay Kao and Times Now's Bhavtosh Singh have been reporting from the location, warning day after day after day that a large private army was building up. They did not listen. The state government did not act. Instead, the police squatted outside waiting for over 20,000 people to gather. That number could be much larger tonight. Tonight, as we in the media bear the brunt of an unprecedented assault by the state government, we have just one question. Where is the state which was sworn in with the promise of a real change?
With arms and riot gear, they've been battle ready for 8 days now. On Tuesday morning, the numbers outside the Satlok Ashram only grew, and the policemen squatting outside had turned restless. By noon, the sound of bullets resonated in this area of Barwala, Hisar. The battle had begun, but within minutes, the embarrassed Haryana police changed its enemy and took aim at the media.
Reporters have been beaten up. In fact, our crew has been attacked by the police. It's chaos, confusion.
And the Times Now crew was the first to bear the brunt of the unprecedented assault.
Ashram personnel are being taken in by the police. When our camera was trying to capture that at least 5 to 7 police personnel came and they repeatedly attack us with baton.
They charged at reporters who were armed with nothing but cameras and mics. Thrashed young journalists for doing their job.
उन्होंने बताया था मैं कि आप यहीं खड़े रहिए. उसके बाद कवर करते करते उन्होंने कहीं से शुरुआत की किसी दूसरे मीडिया वाले को मारने की और उसके बाद हमें हमारे तरफ दौड़ गए. फिर भी हमने अपना कैमरा डाउन किया, बोले हम शूट नहीं कर रहे, जा रहे आगे. फिर आगे पकड़ लिया हमने.
For 8 days now, Times Now has been reporting from war zone Hisar, warning of a standoff between the cops and Rampal's private army.
The entire ashram was first encircled by security forces. Then at about 12:30 this afternoon is when the police personnel charged in. They first fired tear gas shells in an effort to disperse the mob. When the mob refused to move from the particular location, they then lathi charged them.
But the cops who chose to delay action today resorted to a botched-up crackdown. And despite their best attempts to stay in denial, these pictures proof of the media being deliberately targeted.
ना हरियाणा पुलिस ना ही हरियाणा सरकार मीडिया को दूर रखने में बिलीव करती है. लेकिन जब पीछे से फायरिंग हो रही है, आश्रम से फायरिंग हो रही है, उस समय मुझे औरों की जान भी बचानी है, मीडिया वालों की जान भी उतनी कीमती है.
And the criminal godman, who perhaps was watching the drama unfold while using women and children as a human shield, is clearly having the last laugh. He is not the first such self-styled godman to mock the law. Rape-accused Asaram and Nityanand also took India for a ride. And in each case, the police failed to act in time. Each case a testament of the failure of the administration and the attitude of godmen who often enjoy political backing and act as parallel courts in democratic India. With Bhavatosh and Vijay Kao, Sharoni Sen, Times Now.